Asking where to find an item in the store.
Excuse me, could you tell me where the rice is? Excuse me, could you tell me where the rice is?
Sure, it's in aisle 5 on the left. Sure, it's in aisle 5 on the left.
Thank you. And where can I find olive oil? Thank you. And where can I find olive oil?
That's also in aisle 5, right next to the rice. That's also in aisle 5, right next to the rice.
Great, thanks for your help. Great, thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Anything else? You're welcome. Anything else?
No, that's all for now. No, that's all for now.
Enjoy your shopping. Enjoy your shopping. Talking to the cashier at checkout.
Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you?
Hello, I'm good, thanks. Did you find everything today? Hello, I'm good, thanks. Did you find everything today?
Yes, thanks. Could you please double bag the milk? Yes, thanks. Could you please double bag the milk?
Of course. Do you have a loyalty card? Of course. Do you have a loyalty card?
Yes, here it is. Yes, here it is.
Great, your total is 42.80 euros. Great, your total is 42.80 euros.
I'll pay by card. I'll pay by card.
Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Have a nice day. Asking about prices, discounts, or offers.
Excuse me, is this bread on sale? Excuse me, is this bread on sale?
Yes, it's 2 for the price of 1 today. Yes, it's 2 for the price of 1 today.
Great, and how much is this cheese? Great, and how much is this cheese?
That one is 3.50 euros per pack. That one is 3.50 euros per pack.
Are there any discounts on vegetables? Are there any discounts on vegetables?
Yes, tomatoes are 20% off today. Yes, tomatoes are 20% off today.
Perfect, I'll take some. Perfect, I'll take some.
Sure, excellent choice. Sure, excellent choice. Returning or exchanging a product.
Hi, I'd like to return this yogurt, please. Hi, I'd like to return this yogurt, please.
Is there something wrong with it? Is there something wrong with it?
Yes, the expiration date was yesterday. Yes, the expiration date was yesterday.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. Do you have the receipt? Oh, I'm sorry about that. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is. Yes, here it is.
Would you like a refund or exchange? Would you like a refund or exchange?
I'll take another yogurt, please. I'll take another yogurt, please.
Sure, go ahead and pick one. Sure, go ahead and pick one. Which sentence is correct? A. Where I can find the bread. B. Where can I find the bread? C. Where find I the bread? D. Where the bread I can find. Which is the most polite way to ask for help? A. Tell me where the milk is. B. Can you help me to find the milk? C. Help me find the milk. D. Where is milk? Which sentence uses the present perfect correctly? A. I have bought the bread. B. I bought have the bread. C. I have buy the bread. D. I has bought the bread. Which sentence uses a countable noun correctly? A. I need 2 breads. B. I need 2 loaves of bread. C. I need 2 bread. D. I need bread too.